I got the first kill. Yeah. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when a cub comes at you?
Just kill him. Like any other normal person.
That's a lot. Ah! I had the winning kill. Winning kill.
Bull, I lost every
Yeah.
single round.
I had the winning kill.
That's bull, I lost every single round.
Yeah. Yeah. Woo.
Well,
Yeah.
I guess I'll take the outro on this one. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and leave down in the comment section if you like us playing Turf Wars. I mean, it's quite fun and for me. But yeah, so any words from you? Any words?
I actually, you know what? I have some words.
Nope.
I-
All right. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
But I wasn't.
Nope. Bye.
But anyways, guys, from my channel, thank you all for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to Sir Pickle's channel. Make sure you leave a comment down below saying if you like this video and a like. Can we go for a like goal of maybe 5 likes? Let's try to get as high as 5 likes this episode. And thank you all for watching. Peace off, and we'll see you later. Good night.
Good night, everybody. See ya.